Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm using this house paint. It is the original base that I think the Gilly Art course uses for their base paint. So that's what I've got in this particular pour. So I'm using that as my base paint, and I'm actually going to use the Boom Gel Stain paints for my colour. So I'm just going to quickly spread this out a bit, just so when I put all my colours on that they'll slide across the top of this paint. Well, that's the theory anyway. Let's see what happens. But yes, it's on my big crudely homemade spinner. I did have a video out of showing you how to crudely make that spinner, but it's been a spinner winner. So give it a go. Yes, these are the Boom Gel Stain. They're just all pre-made paints, especially developed, I believe, to do the kind of bloom port, to make the lovely cells in your pour. So it was a bit of I've done several videos recently using these paints because I'd literally found them again in my paints, and I thought they were too old now to really work. So, because I think I've had them over 4 years, so I was actually going to throw them all out because I'm tearing my art room apart because we've got it's water damaged, big story anyway, and so we're going to empty it all out and redo that room and waterproof it and blah blah blah. Might do a video on that, see our mess. So yeah, I'm just merrily going with some of the colours that I have left, and the cell activator that I'm using in between some of that is the Amsterdam Black mixed with Floetrol only, and I'm just literally going to blow it with my hairdryer and spin it. So yes, I'm putting that cell activator on there, and I will literally use my hairdryer to blow this one out and then give it a spin. So let's see how this goes.
Another refrain, I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath.
Well, that is a bit weird and wonderful. The colours are kind of a bit all over the place, but I'm just going to do some sort of, I'm just going to use that skewer and then I'm going to spin them. But I mean, it looks kind of like it, but anyway, we'll see what it looks like spun out.
I sing this softly to myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is
a bit crazy, isn't it? But I don't know, there's something that I do like about it. So not quite sure what it is, but I do like it. So there you go, winner, spinner. Just finishing off my edges, and I'll put some photos up of the dried piece. But before then, I'm going to move on to the next piece. So let's have a look at what we create next. But yeah, that's quite a winner. So as you see, I'm scraping up the paint that's left on my board. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm going to use that as a base paint really for the next piece that I do on this little 20 by 20. So probably try blowing this one out maybe, I'm not sure yet, but we'll give it a go.
I sing this softly to myself. I'm hushing the dog on the chain.
So I've put those colours down. I'm actually going to put the cell activator on that spatula and give it a swipe through, and then hopefully a spin and see. Oh, there you go. I did blow that one. Sorry about me noggin. But anyway, there you go, and blow that one. But I think I will spin it too. So I'll do some wiggly edges. It's all a day of fun in the art room, testing out different paints and different technique, I guess, doing oh, some nice cells coming up in that. That's actually going to be quite nice, I believe, when it's spun out. I can't even remember if I did spin it out because I'm doing a voice over this. So I'm all over the place, look like Airy Goat, trying a bit of everything, having a really fun day. I wasn't actually going to put this video up because I thought this is just my experiment, but so many people say to me, no, let's see your failures away as, oh gosh, what did I do there? Why did I do that? Gosh, you're a Nelly, Gilly. I'm lifting it up there to blow the pieces. I don't know why I didn't just spin that out. Must have been having a complete black brain puff. Anyway, I'm going to blow it out with a dryer by the looks of it. So, yeah, you know, if all else fails or what you think has failed, just push it on. So obviously I did do that with this piece. But I know I've actually got the dried piece sitting in my art room now. So now I'm seeing it evolve. I remember. I remember. So it was pretty interesting piece when it's finished, this one. So let's continue on with the fun. There you go. Now on with the next piece on the same little square, 20 square canvas, and basically doing the same, but I'm going to keep this one a bit monochromatic, meaning I'm only using that dark blue and the purple, and then that cell activator, which is the Amsterdam, well, in one of them's the Amsterdam black and the other one Amsterdam white, just with Australian Floetrol. So I'm going to blow this one out with my hairdryer. So I'm just keeping one side the blue and the other side the purple. So kind of, it's not monochromatic, is it? But it's very few colours. And I've also got this one dried sitting there. And I do think I'm going to resin this one because it'll really pop with the resin. So what did I do here? I actually stretched it out. I'm not sure why I wasn't spinning these. Got them on the spinner and I wasn't spinning them. But I know that the cells turned out really quite beautiful in this one in the end. So bear with me and we'll see how they all look at the end. Okay, that's me done. You'll see the photos at the end, but really that yellowy mustard one really turned out to be a real weirdo one. Must say, it was an art experiment day, so if there's any particular one that you really like, then I can certainly do another one in a different colour, I guess. Not sure how many of the colours I've got there, but yeah, it was an enjoyable process and I hope you enjoyed it too. see, they didn't turn out too bad at all. And they were definitely, you know, it was a good old fun day. So thank you so much for joining me. I always do appreciate when you come along on my little art journey and comment and like. That always helps me. And I'm just wishing you all well, and I hope if anyone out there is feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Okie dokie, bye for now.